Okay, so this is the TM robot. This is the collaborative robot from Omron Automation. There's a couple main selling features with this robot. The integrated vision that is unique across the industry right now with the Omron Collaborative Robot. The main selling feature though is this TM landmark. What this landmark is able to do is the vision system will take a picture of this landmark, and all of those points will be in relationship to the orientation, so the rotation and the XY coordinates of this landmark, so that if I were to rotate this board, which I will demonstrate in this video, is that the robot will adjust with the landmark. The very first row, these parts will be picked with the board square to the robot. The second row, the board will be rotated about 15 degrees to the right, and the third row will be rotated 15 degrees to the left. That final row will be picked up with the robot square to the board again, and this robot is being operated in automatic mode and is not currently in collaborative mode. The very first procedure with this robot is initializing the gripper and taking a picture of the TM landmark for spatial orientation. The robot then comes down, presses the button in order to cycle the feeder. This robot is currently running at 40% speed in non-collaborative mode. However, it can be cycled to automatically go into collaborative mode and then return back to the automatic state with the use of a laser safety scanner. As opposed to traditional robotics, the Omron Collaborative Robot uses flowchart software that is built onto the controller, so there is no prior robot programming knowledge required before operating this robot. Much like the other collaborative robots that are in the industry, this robot can be moved by hand to different points along the board when programming. However, the unique part is there are buttons built onto the head of the robot that allow you to program points into the controller to be later used in the program. Additional features allow you to also create vision nodes and to activate and deactivate the gripper to grab and release a part.